Hello everyone, good morning. We are on the beach of the city of Samsun. As you can see, we are going to enjoy the sunrise, and also we are gonna walk on the beach and try to learn some new vocabularies and new action verbs. So this is a lifeguard tower. A lifeguard, the guy who saves people from drowning. The lifeguard sees someone is drowning. He runs and he tries to save him. He runs and he tries to save him. And this is a bench. I sit on the bench, I lay back or sit back and enjoy the sunrise view. So this is a walkway, the way where people walk and enjoy the view. And this is a bike lane or cycle lane. This is the road where people can ride their bikes and again enjoy the view. And on this lane also I can walk and also I can jog. I do jogging. And I can also run. And this is a road. This is the road or the way where cars pass. And we have a road sign here. It says there is no way out inside this street. So this is a pavement. This is where people can walk to avoid the cars. So we have walkway, bike lane, road, and pavement. And this is a parking area. This is where cars or people can park their cars. As you can see, this is the parking area road sign. So this is the cultural center garden. They are watering the grass. So this is a ground piano. The water is playing piano. I can show you. And this is a path. The path leads to the mosque. And here we have some white rocks. The white rocks gives a beautiful view to the path. And this is the cultural center of the city. This is a place where you can watch theaters, plays, shows like comedy shows, and also you can try to learn music, try to learn some instruments, and also you can watch plays like Hamlet and other famous plays. And this is the ballet dancing monument. As you can see, she's dancing ballet. What's your favorite dance? Do you like dancing? Let me know in the comments. And this is a mall. In a mall, we can find so many shops, so many stores, supermarkets, clothes, perfumes, so many equipments. And this is a beach umbrella or parasols. And this is a sunbed. I can lay on the sunbed, I can enjoy the view, and I can also do sunbathe to become brown. And this is a playground. As you can see, there are so many games or tours where kids can come here and enjoy their time and also watch the view. And this is a swing. I am swinging myself. There is nobody to push me. I am pushing myself. And this is a seesaw. It's like a scale. There should be someone in front of you. And this is a ladder. I am climbing the ladder, and then I will slide. And this is a giant waste bin, a big waste bin. And also it has a hoop. I can try to throw. I failed. And this is a playground spinner. The playground spins, and here we have so many flowers. These flowers are orange and they smell so fresh. And here we have another color of flowers. These flowers are yellow, or these flowers are in yellow, but they have no smell. And here we have pop-up sprinklers or lawn sprinklers. The lawn sprinklers are watering the grass and watering the whole place. And this is a place where you can take a rest while walking on the beach or while swimming. This is a small restaurant. This restaurant was built by the district of the city. Here, you can eat, you can drink, you can take a rest, and also there is a library on the other side of this restaurant. That was all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you made it till here, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down, let me know your thoughts. We are continuing this series, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe bell. Like the video and share it with your friends if you like it, or if you have learned something, please let me know what did you learn from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.